To learn about the grammar of donnani temo, or we can use donnani demo. The grammar of donnani temo is mean no matter how much, or no matter how to, or no matter how to do, right? So how do they use? In Japanese, they will use donnani and with the verb. In the verb, you should change the verb to be the te form, and can change to be the te form, and followed by mo, temo. For the noun, if you use donnani and followed by the noun, is you should end by demo. If non-adjective is the same, demo, but in adjective you should cut out the e and end by kutemo. So what you have to remember in this grammar is mean that when you use the verb, you should change the temo, te form, right, and end by mo. For use with a noun and non-adjective, you should end by demo. For adjective, you should change the adjective to be the demo, which means you should cut out the e out of the adjective and end by kutemo. For example, oishi kutemo, right? So the next we are going to see some example of how to use the grammar of donnani temo, which means no matter how. The first example, どんなに頑張っても70点しか取れなかった。どんなに頑張っても70点しか取れなかった。Which means, no matter how hard I tried, I never got more than 70 points. No matter how hard I tried, I never got more than 70 points. An example, どんなに苦しくても最後まで走り抜くつもりだ。どんなに苦しくても最後まで走り抜くつもりだ。Which means, no matter how painful it may be, I plan to run all the way until the end. No matter how painful it may be, I plan to run all the way until the end. どんなに早くても寝るときはクーラーを消して寝る。どんなに早くても寝るときはthis means どんなに暑くても寝るときはクーラーを消して寝る。どんなに暑くても寝るときはクーラーを消して寝る。Which means, no matter how hot it is, I always turn off the air conditioner when I go to bed. No matter how hot it is, I always turn off the air conditioner when I go to bed. The next example, どんなに好きでもそれを伝えなければ始まらない。どんなに好きでもそれを伝えなければ始まらない。No matter how much you may like them, if you don't let them know, nothing will ever start. No matter how much you may like them, if you don't let them know, nothing will ever start. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。